That helps me support the channel too. Really appreciate it.
That's right. Donate to Henry's channel. Every dollar counts. As a matter of fact, I'm going to help him out. Henry, I've got some money here. I've got at least at least $1 there. Yeah. Oh, $1.01.
Thanks, Hank. I appreciate you, man. Anyway, so I'm going to be messing with this a little bit later. But first, I'm going to go to Walmart later because I still have to buy 2 garden tractor batteries. I finally got my 2 cores back from Larry and Bob. Thank you very much, Larry and Bob, for trying to get my batteries fixed. But, you know, it's $22, so I'm just going to trade them in and get 2